Hey guys, I'm out here working on the wheelbarrow again. I did a Rust-Oleum rusty metal primer. Restores basically any rust. I went over the POR. So just making one solid color for now. Primed all the metal, 100% done. So tomorrow I'm gonna do some wood paint and some color paint maybe. Oh, we'll see. I'm kind of tired. It's a lot. It hurts a lot. My back and my I had to run a plane. Anyway, I did the rim. Even though the rim is shot, we're getting there. But this is probably spent more money in materials than it's worth. But it's he was my grandfather's, and he's deceased. And to me, he loved the plant, and this is my memory of him. And this is gonna last for a while. Alright guys, thanks for watching.